Do you ever feel like you are doing a great job at work but no one is noticing? You are hitting targets, you are solving problems, and still no real recognition? Here is why that happens, and let me tell you what to do about it. So, the first recommendation is visibility is greater than hard work. Corporate success isn't just about doing the work, it's actually about being seen doing the work. So, send weekly updates to your manager, share wins, however small it may be. Share wins on team calls. For example, instead of just fixing a client issue quietly, say, just a heads up. Oh, just a heads up. I resolved the client escalation from yesterday. So here is how you are not bragging, but you are documenting the impact. Second point is speak their language. So you might be saying, I increased efficiency by 20%. But do you think that matters? What matters to the leadership is primarily in terms of the business impact. So translate your work into business impact. Instead of saying saved 10 hours per week, you should say, okay, I saved $15,000 in annual savings. That is where they are actually listening. Third is ask for feedback, not praise. So, guys, don't chase compliments. Ask, what can I do better? Or ask, is this aligned with your team needs? These kind of questions shows maturity and keeps you on their radar. And the fourth point is build relationships. So recognition often travels through networks. Get to know people outside your immediate team. Offer help, offer networking, offer help, share ideas. So it isn't always about effort, it's a lot about the connection also. So if you are not being appreciated, don't shrink. Get visible, get aligned, get intentional. The value you bring deserves a spotlight, but remember, you have to flip the switch.